Hello and welcome to TLA Engage. Here's a quick tour of the online member community for TLA, your hub for networking, collaboration, and knowledge sharing. On your home screen, you can update your TLA Engage profile, scroll through the latest community posts, access any upcoming TLA events, and adjust your community notifications. As you scroll in the middle, you'll automatically see any new posts from any community you're a part of. To filter your newsfeed, click on the three lines in the top right corner to filter your feed by community or community post type. Click Apply to set the filters. From the feed, you can like a post by clicking on the like icon. If you click on the three dots on the right side of each post, you can follow the post or quickly copy the URL link to the post for quick sharing. To reply to the post directly or the whole community, click on the subject line to open the post. When replying to a post, you have two options: reply privately or reply. Reply will post your message to the entire community. Reply privately will send a direct message to the poster. Please be sure to choose the correct one when posting in any community. To make edits to your profile, either click on your profile picture, click on the Customize My Profile link in the Quick Links block, or click the smaller picture in the top right corner and then click Profile. Any of these three options should lead you to this page. To edit each block of data, click on the small pencil icon next to each block. Make any updates to each field as needed, and then click Save at the bottom. To delete a set of data, click the trash can icon next to it. To add a new set of data, click the blue Add button. Be sure to click Save after every new addition, or cancel if you need to go back. Any of these fields can be updated directly within TLA Engage and are not associated with your TLA members only account. Your contact information on the left-hand side will automatically sync from what was provided on your TLA membership application. Things like your name, your address, your email address, your phone number, and your company name will all automatically populate from your TLA membership account. You can update them in TLA Engage, and it will not affect anything on your TLA membership account. If you do not wish to have any of your contact details displayed or need to hide certain blocks of information on your profile, click on Update My Privacy Settings in the quick links on the right, or click on My Account, then Privacy Settings from inside your profile. You'll see a setting labeled I would like to be included in the member directory and community rosters. This toggle switch is automatically set to yes. If you would like to be hidden from the directory and any community rosters, click this to no. This will not remove you from the community, but you will not be searchable by other members this way. For the following pieces of data, you can set your privacy levels from public, my contacts, members only, or only me. Here's a brief description of each setting. Public means that this data will be searchable on the internet. However, TLA Engage is a private community for only members, so the public still won't be able to access your profile without being a member. Members only means any member in the all member community will be able to view your information. My contacts means any person that you've requested to connect with that has accepted your request will be able to see this piece of information. All TLA member profiles are automatically set to show your contacts, your contact information, but not all members. Only me is a setting that allows only you to see this set of data. Adjust each one and then click Save Changes at the bottom. To access your contacts, click on My Connections and then Contacts. Contacts are like friends or followers, to put it in terms of other social media sites. If you want to add someone as a contact, click the Add as Contact button on the screen of their profile page. You can find people through the directory at the top or just by clicking their profile from a discussion post. Once you send a request to be added, the other person must accept your request before they are added to your contacts list. To view your current contact list, click on My Connections from inside your profile and then Contacts. Each profile has an inbox. Click on My Inbox tab from within your profile. Any TLA member can send you a message directly through TLA Engage. This message can be accessed in your inbox from your TLA Engage profile. You will also be sent an email to your primary TLA email address on file. Other emails you will receive from TLA Engage come from your community notifications. To manage the amount of emails that you receive from TLA Engage, click on Adjust My Community Notifications in the Quick Links box on your home page, or go to My Profile, My Account, Community Notifications. There are several ways you can receive updates from your communities in TLA Engage. Daily Consolidated Community Digest will send you an email once a day with every update from all of your communities that you mark below. Weekly Consolidated Community Digest will send you an email once a week with every update from all of your communities that you mark below. Please adjust the day you wish to receive these emails up here at the top. Every Friday, I receive a weekly consolidated email of any of these communities that I've marked down here. You can then adjust the notifications you receive from each community even further. All communities are automatically set to send you real-time notifications. This means that you will receive an email anytime someone posts or replies to a post in this community. You can change this to either Daily Digest or no email. A Daily Digest is a daily email that you will receive from that one specific community every day. This is different from the Daily Consolidated email that includes all community updates from that day. No email means you will never receive any email from this community regardless of who posts or replies in the community. This is for the people who prefer to log in and check the updates directly on TLA Engage. At the top of your community notifications page, the discussion email is an override email address that you can add if your TLA primary email address is not where you want to receive these community notifications. Please note this will not update your TLA membership profile, nor will this change your login. This will only reroute any TLA Engage notifications to go to a different email address. To create a new post in a community, navigate to the community by either clicking on the community from inside the newsfeed, using the community's quick lists on the left-hand side, or clicking on communities in the top navigation bar. Once in a community, click the green Add button to start a new post. The post is a rich text field where you can add in attachments, format your text, add links, and even tag other members. Once your post copy is written, you can either post it immediately to the community, or you can schedule your post to send at a later date and time. If you need to cross-post to two different communities, be sure to add the second community in the recipient field under cross-post. Your TLA Engage login, email, and password is the same as your TLA membership login. To create a new password, click the Forgot Your Password link. That is sent to your TLA primary email address. To update your email address on file, please email TLA office at tla@txla.org.